Hi guys, my name is Yelenko and today I just want to show you how to set a clock on one BMW e64 year 2004, but the same goes from the cars from 1995 2000 until 2004 or more. Today I have a compact, but the same goes for limo or coupe. The first thing you need to do is to put your contact on the first step, and in your display it will show the clock. If it's not, you just need to press here on board computer settings and until the clock shows. And now what you need to do is on your board computer to your button, just pull it on the right, turn right, left or left for less clock, less minutes, or for more you just turn it on the right. So if you hold longer it will go faster. The same goes for the left, backwards. So, and that's about it. And if you want to switch your clock from 24 hours or 12 hours AM PM, you just need to press one time the red button, or when you want again that your clock shows on 24 clock, that press just one more time, and that's about it. So I hope I could help you. I wish you a nice time, then goodbye until the next time.